Actually, I have the best job in the world. I clean gold. It's clean, it's neat, it's organized.
It seems like a really well-oiled machine. I mean, I'm used to chaos out in the bush, and this is just like everything's so neat and clean and organized. Like it's impressive.
So it's amazing to see the people who've been working here 30, 40 years, and it's incredible.
Yeah. That only goes to show the quality of the company.
The quality of your machines are great.
To get something that is reliable, that you know that starts and runs every day, yeah, that is key to our operation pretty much.
I mean, you don't want to work on your tools. You need something, you need to fix something, you don't want to work on your tools to fix it.
It's your machines that save us all season long. And so thank you for what you guys do. You make us look good.
Thanks. Great.